How to find keywords. I'm often asked how to find keywords, but before I explain this, I really want to get across that you need to understand why you need to find keywords and the consequences for your content if you don't. When I started blogging, I thought it was going to be really cool. Lots of content would mean lots of readers and traffic, and this would lead to lots of new leads, and then some of these great people would want to buy stuff from me. So I started creating content like a demon, and what happened? Crickets. Nothing. Nada. It took me a long time to work out that the main reason for this was that I was not targeting keywords, so that my potential audience were not able to find my content in the first place. I'm going to explain why keyword research is so important and show you how you can do your own keyword research with Google, with the Google Keyword Planner, with Keyword.io, and with Market Samurai. So let me ask you a question. Are you completely wasting your time? Are you completely wasting your time when you blog? What are you writing about? Does anyone care? Is anyone really interested? How do you know, or rather, how can you find out? The answer is keyword research, and this does not have to cost you anything. Let me emphasize, if this is not a part of your blogging process, you are definitely wasting time, leaving money on the table, and missing a trick. So, what am I talking about? When you write a blog post or an article, you need to tie your topic into a keyword. To be clear, you need to decide what you're going to write about, make sure there's some benefit for your audience, and then do your keyword research, not the other way round. You need to identify the keyword you are going to tie into your article. So, what is a keyword? Well, a keyword, which can be a phrase rather than a single word, is what someone types into a search engine when they are looking for content on the internet. Short and obvious keywords are simple. They're relatively few in number, and they're very competitive. Your chances of ranking or being found in search for short, simple keywords is very low. Longer phrases, known as long-tail keywords, are much more interesting, and these are the keywords you need to concentrate on. Let's have a look at online markets, because you need to understand what online markets are before you can understand why keywords are important. And essentially, there are two keys to the whole thing: the market you select and the keywords you target. And then keywords within that market are important because they are the secret answer to the key factor in internet marketing, and that is intent. And there are three main reasons, three types of intent for a search: information, trying to find out about something; navigation, trying to actually find something online; and transaction, trying to find something to purchase. And it's this last one that is the most important for internet marketers. For each keyword, the number of people searching varies widely. Let's take a look at the Google page ranking. And I want to explain why ranking on the first page of Google is so important. The amount of traffic you get from organic Google search is directly related to where you appear on the front page for your keyword term. The number one ranked website on a particular page receives 42% of clicks. The number two ranked website receives 12% of clicks. The third ranked website receives 8%, the fourth 6%, the fifth 5%, the sixth 4%, the seventh 3%, and the remaining clicks are shared between all the other sites listed in Google, not just those on page one. So to summary, if you are writing or publishing online, you want people to read and engage with your content, and they cannot do that if they don't find it. To help them find it, you need to ensure that your content uses keywords, which the search engines will use to connect people looking for content to the keyword relevant to the content you have created. Look at it like signposts or directions, because without them, your audience is lost. And in part 2, I'm going to show you how you can find and use relevant keywords.